How to set up and use ExpressVPN on Chromebook. There are two ways to use ExpressVPN on your Chromebook, using the Android app or using the Linux app. The Android app is easier to use and has a graphical interface, while the Linux app is more advanced and requires command line commands. Both methods require your Chromebook to support Android or Linux apps. To use the Android app, you need to sign up for an ExpressVPN account. Download and install the ExpressVPN app from the Play Store on your Chromebook. Sign in with your email and password, and allow the app to set up a VPN profile. Connect to any of the server locations by tapping the on/off button or choosing a location from the list. To use the Linux app, you need to sign up for an ExpressVPN account. Enable Linux Beta on your Chromebook from the settings menu. Install the ExpressVPN app from the terminal using the commands provided. Activate your account with the activation code from your email. Connect to any of the server locations by typing the commands provided.